at the bus stop now, and it's like a walk. We are taking now bus number 83 from Falunda Tori. The people who are living here, know these places. So I'm just giving a reference, for those who are here. So yeah, we are taking bus number 83, and after reaching, it's like a half an hour journey, you can say. And once you reach there, it's like a 1.5 kilometer walk. So there are two ways you can go there, but the longer route, we are like trying to find the shorter route. We are going for the first time, so even we are going to explore along with you. So yeah, and then it's quite beautiful. We have seen the pictures and all. It looks very pretty. So today the weather is also amazing. It's like almost 20 degrees. It's not that warm, but not that cold as well. So works for us, and yeah, we are just going, and let's see how it goes. Hey guys, we just reached the last bus stop now, and we got down, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, we got down there, and from there we are walking towards, it's almost 1.5 kilometer walk. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, lots of greenery, and it's like a forest. So it's as you can see behind me also, it's like nature reserve. So let's go ahead, and it's a beautiful walk. So yeah, come along with me, and hopefully we'll reach the beach very soon. Hey guys, we just reached the spot, and it's so beautiful. So we are going like we just came here, but this is like half the way. So there are like rocky rocks here. So you can sit here, you can have some like relaxed time. You can chill out here. So as you can see, it looks like this. And then there is a longer walk, so it's I think 800 meters from here, and you get the sandy kind of beach kind of feeling. So let me show you. You can see it from here as well. So guys, I hope you can see my finger, where you can see there we have to go. Okay, so that is the sandy beach. So I think we are going to head there now. We have to walk, but can you see how beautiful it is? The water is so clear, and the weather is so nice. It's very like calming and peaceful here, so you can definitely come and relax, have some like get some snacks, and you can just sit and maybe read a book or even go to sleep. So yeah, let's go ahead. We have a walk ahead. Hey guys, so we have reached this place, so we just decided to sit here. So it's the midway. So as you can see, people are just sitting like on the way. They're like rocks, so you can definitely sit and you can still relax. And the that side, if you can see, this side, okay, there is a sandy beach. So actually we have a quite hectic day tomorrow, and we have to wake up early, and we have a shoot outside, so we don't want to like tire ourselves. And that's the reason we decided to just take rest here. We have our snacks and nice yeah, mat and all, so we are like set here. So this is definitely a very beautiful place, but it's not like a straight road, it's like a bumpy area. So if you're bringing like pram or something, then it is little bumpy, like there are the road is not like very smooth. So keep that in mind. And yeah, otherwise it's quite a nice place. Like, even you can come in the evening. Actually it will like you can see very like good sunsets, but then you need to have a car for that, because if you're coming in the evening, then again it will be little chill, like cold, then now it is like almost around 2 o'clock, so that is fine, like it's quite sunny and warm. So yeah, so this is the place, and it's very nice. So as you can see, people are swimming, and also there is little less as you can see, less people here. So on the sandy beach there are more people, so we thought that will be better, if we can just sit here separately and relax. So yeah, we all sitting here. we did not go on the sandy beach ahead. We just spent some time here, relaxed, and yeah, had some snacks. And I hope you enjoyed this place. And if you are in Gothenburg, you can definitely visit this place, and it's really worth it. And you can spend a lot of time here, relax, eat, maybe play cards, and yeah, have some fun. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you love this video. You know what to do. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you next time. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Take care.